So now we know that a fable is a short story that teaches us a lesson. Another important thing about the fable is it needs to have a very strong opening. So, an opening is the first couple of sentences in a story that really tell us what is the problem. We're going to listen to a couple of fables. And I want you to think about how does the beginning of the story, the first few sentences, how does that beginning really let us know what the problem is? Why is it important for a fable to have such a strong opening to the story? Maybe it's because it's such a short story. We really need to know what it's about right from the beginning. So listen closely to the beginnings of these fables. Later this week, we're going to try to write some fables. So we want to know, how do we make the beginning as strong as we can? Another really important thing about the beginning of a story is that if somebody reads the beginning and they think, this story sounds boring, then they might not finish it. So we want to make our strong beginning so that people are hooked and they want to finish that story. So listen closely. The beginning of each fable should do two things. One, it should be so interesting that you definitely want to find out what happens. And two, it should really set up the story. It's going to tell us what is the problem that this story is going to solve.